We're putting in a sump pump line in North Macomb County, Michigan. There's a lot of reasons for failure of a sump pump line. One, big trees with really big roots can actually cause a collapse. In this case, they used a thin wall storm and sewer pipe. They didn't use a heavy wall. For all our sump pump lines, we run a 4-inch Schedule 40. It's really strong. I like the 4-inch because when you increase a pipe's diameter, you increase the strength, it'll endure more. We're going under the electrical and cable now. The sump pump line is going to go under the gas after we go under the city walk as well. When putting in sump pump lines, always have your utilities marked and be ready to unearth them. If you're looking to have a sump pump line installed in North Macomb County, Michigan, and North Oakland County, Michigan, give us a call.